Have you ever said something in English and the person smiled politely, but you knew something sounded wrong? Today, I'm going to show you the most common grammar mistakes that even good English speakers make and how you can fix them forever. You know, when I first started speaking English, I thought I was great. Until one day, my teacher looked at me and said, "Nasser, the police is here?" And I said, "Yes, the police is here." She smiled and said, "Actually, we say the police are here." Wait, what? Police means people, not one person. That was the day I realized English is not only about the words, it's about how we use them. So, mistake number 1. Using singular for plural noun. We say the police is coming, the police are coming. My family are happy, my family is happy. Wait, so family is singular, but police is plural? Exactly. English loves to confuse us. Mistake number 2. Countable or uncountable confusion. I have many informations. I have a lot of information. I need some advices. I need some advice. Think of it like this. Some words in English are like soup. You can't count soup. By the way, if you are learning English and you hate making these small mistakes, hit that subscribe button right now, because next time we'll talk about mistakes that even native speakers make. Alright, let's continue. Mistake number 3. I'm waiting you. I'm waiting for you. I'm married with him. I'm married to him. He depends of his parents. He depends on his parents. If you ever get confused about prepositions, don't worry. Everyone does. Even teachers sometimes check twice. Mistake number 4. She is the doctor. She is a doctor. I love the music. I love music. I bought a water. I bought some water. Here's a tip. Use a or an only when you talk about one of many. No articles when you talk in general. You see, I've made all these mistakes. Everyone does. But the people who improve are the ones who notice their mistake and fix them. So, next time someone corrects you, smile, say thank you, and remember this video. Because every mistake you fix makes your English sound natural. Which of these mistakes have you made before? Write it in the comments. I want to see how many of us have the same problem. And if you learned something new today, give this video a like. See you in next one. And remember, practice doesn't make perfect. It makes progress. Goodbye.